Alright, y'all. We made it here in one piece. We are at Blue Hole, all the way in Millville, New Jersey. Also Hamilton, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we got here safe. Traffic was a bitch. Right here, if you guys can see, is where all the ATVs and dirt bikes go. Your bicycles, whatever you want. A whole bunch of trails over here for the people that are around Jersey area and y'all didn't know about this spot. So I usually come out here maybe once, twice every week. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around here a little bit. I don't want to go too far from my bike. That's how shit gets stolen. So I'm not gonna explore this whole thing for you guys another day. Leave a comment if you guys want me to. Again, this place is called Blue Hole in Millville, Hamilton area. I tend to come here a lot just to, hang out. That's why I call this spot, you know what I'm saying? If you go down here, this is where all the dirt bikes and all that shit are. I'm in one of the trails. They blocked it down, I guess, with one of these trees. But you go down here, you go up more, there's a big ass hill that will direct you all the way to a fucking huge ass lake. I'd love to go show you guys, but it's almost getting time to go to that bike meet. I didn't realize how far along it was of a ride. So once you get down to this hill, you follow this trail all the way down. And this trail will lead you to a huge ass fucking hill. I don't want to go too far because my bike's right here. It's in clear vision. I can perfectly see it. An abandoned building is right there. We're gonna go explore that. We're gonna investigate what the fuck is that. You know what I'm saying? If you guys followed me from my Instagram, TikTok, or any of those other reels or shorts, whatever you want to call it, I appreciate it. You guys see that I wasn't in a great mental state. The fuck? Look at this shit. Low-key, this would be fire for a photo shoot. I might have put motherfuckers on for real. I don't know what the fuck that was. If you guys followed me from any of my social media accounts and came here to watch my long form content, I really appreciate you. As you can see in my reels, when I first started, I wasn't in a great mental state. But day one, trying to get better every day. So here we are. Again, I'm trying to work on cinematography and videography. For about a year, maybe two, I was in like a very depressed state. I lost like 20 something pounds. I used to go to the gym all the time. What I want to get at with this is I'm on a building block. So a lot of you that are going through some shit, I just want to let you guys know God got your back. Whatever you guys are trying to achieve, you guys 100% will achieve it. There's a lot that you guys could do in order to help you guys move forward. You just got to take action and take that leap of faith. Not many people are willing to do that because they are worried about what other people view them. But you know what? Who gives a fuck? People are probably going to comment, hate on it. It is what it is. For a long time, my dad always taught me not to really care about what people say about you. I came onto this platform wanting to spread love, spread positivity. Though you may see some crazy shit on my bike, me doing some crazy shit, I'm not trying to be cool. That's just how I ride, dude. So for a lot of people that are trying to get onto the social media platform and trying to start just like me, this is my third video I'm gonna post. Just do it, man. Just fucking do it. Nobody gives a fuck. Post that content. People are out here posting themselves drinking, getting fucked up every other weekend. I'm telling you, dog, people be posting this shit. Who gives a fuck what you look like? Who gives a fuck what car you ride? Who gives a fuck what bike you ride? Who gives a fuck where you live? Who gives a fuck what you're recording off of? Who cares? Who cares? Start today. Spread your word. Spread your content. Show them your perspective of the view of the world. Spread positivity, spread love, and God will always treat you right, man. That's all I can say. But from there, I know I couldn't explore much here with you guys. I only showed you a little bit of bullshit. But we got the ride down. I got my word out. Again, new beginning. Here we are. And I'd like to share it with you guys so the people that are going through what I went through can also learn and spread the love. So all the people in this comments that are going to be hating on us, watching us grow, fuck them. It's between us. So again, comment, share, subscribe, and again, Ghost family, I love you. Biker just rode by. See him all the way down there. Beautiful day for a ride. Alright, let's go for this ride. You heard? Alright boys, we 2 minutes away from the bike meet. Let's get it. Alright y'all, we made it to the bike meet. We're here now, it's a pretty good turnout. Good, about 200 people, maybe 250. Got some fire ass cars. I'm gonna show you guys what the bikes are looking like right now. We got a Kawasaki right here. We got another ZXR. We got my shit. We got, let me see, we got the R3 out here. We got the Ninja Kawasaki. What is this? What is this? R3? Yep, R3. You got a fucking Busa. This shit big as fuck right here. Let me tell y'all, if y'all don't know how to ride bikes, this shit is definitely not the one for you, because this shit is fucking massive, dog. Like, this shit got some fucking torque. So another thing we got, let's see, we got R3, yeah. We got a R3 too as well. Shit. Like, look at this shit, dog. Who parted that? Is that? I said, whose car was revving like that?
Car or bike?
Car or bike? Which one was? That was the R3?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I am. Fuck her, she rides an R3.
Yo, fuck this motherfucker right here, bro.
Ooh, what you guys say to that?
She's still riding an R3.
And he has no bike, yo.
He do though. He got 1,000. I'll back him up. I'll back him up. He got 1,000. He got 1,000.
Bro,
He got
no
1,000.
bike for 2 weeks.
Wait, where's your bike?
2 weeks.
Show me your
2
bike.
weeks, no
Show me
bike.
your bike.
My bike's right here. Alright guys, look at my bike. You see this sexy thing? It might be an R3, but I pushed this bitch to her limit.
Okay, okay.
This is my baby.
What's the top speed?
I hit it 120.
120?
Red line, bro. Yes, bro. I'm pushing this bike. Do not play with my baby, bro. My baby is...
She put on like 4,000 miles.
3,000.
3,000.
3,000. But she's getting there.
Times the amount of
Tell him.
Hell
Next
yeah.
up is the wheelie.
That's right.
Huh?
Next up is the wheelie.
When I know how to do a burnout without crashing
but we probably gonna head up out of here soon. So I'm gonna walk around, show you guys a little bit around, and then we're gonna go from there. I'll be showing you and telling you things about some certain cars to show. Right now, I only see one car worthy of taking that video of. Haven't really seen another one. But if I find another one, we're gonna make another car edit. So we just gotta find a fire ass car. Let me say, hold up. See much. Ain't nothing really fire. Pop a wheelie! Pop a wheelie! You can't pop a wheelie! This you? Dog, this shit is sick, dog. You got an Instagram? I'm about to send you an edit. Here. I should send you by later tonight. Alright, brother. This shit fire, dude.